Hi guys, so this is my prototype that I made myself for my inflatable pizza oven or wood burning oven. I came about this idea because I actually made this perlite mix oven with a the gym ball method, which I have a video on my YouTube channel. But it took so much work, making the drawings, go get the wood, cut the wood, forming it, buy the gym ball. It was just a lot of work and a lot of preparation and thinking how to get it done. So that's why I came up with this idea of just inflating the mold. So you don't have to do the form work anymore in wood for the front part, the door and the chimney. And it has actually the perfect shape. This is not just half a ball or half a sphere, because the gym balls, they actually come much higher in diameter, much higher, but we want the flame to go over the pizza, so lower, so everything is calculated in proportion. So that's why I'm putting it on Kickstarter. So I hope with your help we can achieve this and have a lot of people to enjoy a wood burning oven at home. Thank you. Hi guys, so this is my inflatable pizza oven mold. So you will be able to cast around it with the perlite mix. So there is no need to do any form work with wood. You just blow it up, inflate it, and then just put the cement mixture around it, and then you have an oven the next day.